Hello guys, so welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make a quick tutorial about Metalstorm, guys, and in this tutorial I'm going to share with you that how you actually can get a mod for the game, guys. The mod works for both the devices, iOS and Android. I'm going to share with you with my iPhone right now, but it works also for the Android devices. The steps are the same for both devices, so make sure you watch the video until the end, guys, if you want to get this mod. I'm just going to open real quick so you can see it by yourself what I'm talking about, and then you can learn it, that how to do it also you by yourself in your own device, and you can play it without limits. Okay, so the game is really impressive. I really like the game. In fact, I don't know, for those who didn't play this game yet, they are watching this video, I really recommend it. It's really nice game, guys. As you can see, guys, you get unlimited resources on the game. So right now I'm going to share with you what I did. So basically, guys, before you start the whole thing, you just need to make sure you have a good connection with internet so the whole process doesn't fail because of internet connection. And one thing you need to check in the settings, guys, before you start, you just have to go here where is App Store, and then where is automatic downloads, you have this option app downloads. Make sure you turn it on, guys, if it is off, so it allows automatic downloads in your device. And this that I showed you right now is just required for iOS users. If you are using iOS, if you are using Android, you don't have to do anything in the settings, guys, because Android is a different system. It does it by itself automatically. You just have to go straight to your internet browser, guy, and you can you can go to search in the searching bar about this site. It's called Modolix, Modolix. Once you're gonna enter in, guys, you have a lot of other things you can check later. I'm just gonna use the searching bar. It's easier to find the game, and here it is. You have information about the game, as you can see over here, and the mod, and here you have the install button, guys, in the corner. All right, so you can just continue by pressing it and continue the rest of the steps. You're going to be able to get the mod same as me. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, guys. Just follow everything you need to know, and you're going to be able to get the mod. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next videos. Cheers.